Now we will see the structure of DNA, the molecular structure. Before going for this molecular structure, you should understand what is polymer. Polymer means many single units, they align and they were joined to each other and form a macromolecule which is called as polymer. So here also the basic unit of DNA is called as nucleotides. Many nucleotides, they were joined together and form a single strand of DNA, and these two strands joined and form a double helix structure. So first we will see what is nucleoside and what is nucleotide. Nucleoside. Nucleoside means only two molecules were present, that is nitrogen base and sugar. Here the 5 carbon chain pentose sugar is used in the structure of DNA. Its name is ribose. As you know, what is the full form of DNA? Deoxyribonucleic acid. So why it is called like that? Because here the ribose pentose sugar is present. Now what is nucleotide? Nucleotide comprise of 3 units. First is nitrogen base. Second is 5 carbon ribose, that is pentose sugar, and the phosphate group. Nitrogen bases. There are 2 kinds of nitrogen bases, purine and pyrimidines. Purines. These are 2 examples for the purines, adenine and guanine. Purines are the double ring structure. Here you can see in the figure, these are the double ring structure. But the pyrimidines, which are the single ring structure, examples are cytosine, thymine and uracil. Cytosine, thymine, adenine and guanine, these 4 are present in DNA and RNA, but uracil is present only in RNA. So depend on that, we have 4 types of nucleotides. As you know, what do you mean by nucleotide? A phosphate, a ribose and nitrogen base. So depends on the types of nitrogen base, we have 2 kind of purine and pyrimidine nucleotides. Thymine nucleotide, cytosine nucleotide, adenine nucleotide and guanine nucleotide. Now we will see how they were base paired. So these 4 nitrogen bases which are present in the DNA, here adenine always pairs with the thymine using double bond. Here they have double bond. And cytosine always pair with the guanine using 3 bond. Here the hydrogen bonds were present. So the bond between cytosine and guanine are triple bond. Now see here in this figure, you can see this spiral form of DNA, a helical structure of DNA. In this helical structure, this blue part, that is made up of phosphate sugar backbone, and the middle ladder part, the ladder like structure, which is made up of base pairs. When we untwist this structure, it will look like this. It is called as step ladder model. So here this blue lining, these are the sugar phosphate backbone, and this base pairs, it means the nitrogen bases which are joined with the hydrogen bond. See, this is a molecular structure of DNA. Sugar phosphate backbone you can see here in the figure, and the base pair which are present at the middle. Now, for example, this first nucleotide, they have A as an nitrogen base. So opposite to that, anti-parallel strand have thymine and they were joined to each other with the double hydrogen bond. Like that, we have here 4 nucleotide base pairs. Here you can see the first carbon of a sugar is attached to the nitrogen base and the fifth one have phosphate. So here the third number carbon is joined to the another nucleotide. So like this way, in this strand all the nucleotides are joined to each other. Same way here also each and every nucleotide are joined to each other and they are forming a helical structure.